Italy's $1 homes. Italy has a deal that seems too good to be true. Homes for just €1. These aren't luxury villas, of course. They're often rundown houses in small towns that need a lot of love. But for some, it's a chance to own a piece of Italian paradise. Imagine restoring a charming stone cottage in a quaint village. Picture yourself sipping espresso in the town square, living the dolce vita. That's the dream that's lured thousands to Italy's $1 home scheme. The program started as a way to combat depopulation. Many small towns in Italy have been emptying out for decades. Young people move to cities for work, leaving behind aging populations and vacant homes. These abandoned houses create safety hazards and detract from the town's beauty. The $1 home scheme aimed to reverse this trend by attracting new residents. Italy's government knew they had to get creative to save these fading towns. They came up with the $1 home program as a bold experiment. The idea: attract new residents, boost local economies, and bring life back to these forgotten corners of Italy. The low price tag is definitely eye-catching, but the program has other goals too. Italy hoped to attract a mix of buyers, from young families to skilled artisans. They envisioned these newcomers restoring not just the houses, but the communities themselves. The scheme aimed to create jobs in construction, renovation, and tourism. The hope was that these towns could reclaim their former glory and become vibrant hubs once more. The process of buying a $1 home isn't as simple as it sounds. It's not just handing over €1 and getting the keys. Buyers must navigate Italian bureaucracy, which can be daunting. First, you need to find a town offering these homes and research their specific requirements. Each town has its own rules and regulations. Next, you'll likely need to submit a proposal outlining your renovation plans and timeline. You'll also need to prove you have the financial means to complete the renovations. There's usually a deposit required, which you might lose if you don't finish the renovations within a certain time frame. This ensures that buyers are serious about their commitment to the project. Is the $1 home scheme worth it? The answer, like most things in life, is complicated. On the plus side, the initial cost is incredibly low. You could potentially own a property in Italy for less than the price of a cup of coffee. And let's be honest, the romantic appeal is undeniable. Imagine yourself restoring a historic home, learning Italian, and integrating into the local community. However, it's crucial to consider the hidden costs. Renovations in Italy can be expensive, especially if you're dealing with an older property. There might be unforeseen structural issues, outdated plumbing, and electrical systems that need a complete overhaul. You'll need to factor in these renovation costs, along with the cost of living in Italy, legal fees, and the potential language barrier.